Good day, everyone. This is Teacher Justin, and welcome to another Math with Teacher Justin. For today, we're going to talk about conversion of measurements, metric to metric. So we have this example or item, convert 0.025 hectometer to millimeter. Ayan. So para mag-convert tayo ng metric to metric, kailangan natin ng table sa taas. Ayan. And then we have to identify where do we start? Hecto, kasi yun yung ating given unit of measurement. Papunta tayo kay milli. Ayan. So, ilang movement going there? So, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So, we have 5 movement going to milli. So, ang example natin, 0.025, we need to move the decimal point 5 times to the right. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. We place the decimal point there, and doon sa mga gaps, maglagay tayo ng 0. So, ayan, dalawang 0. Now, our measurement will be 2,500 millimeter. Ayan. So, yung zeros sa una, yung 0.0, mawawala na kasi ang unang significant figure will be 2. And then, we will count it as 2,500. Okay? And that's it. Ta-da! Alright.